This is the letter B. This is how you write the letter B. The sound of the letter B is B.
This is a boy. The boy is reading a book. He has many books in his bag. These are bees.
The bees buzz when they fly. Those are bananas. Do you like to eat bananas?
The bananas are in the basket. That is a box. The box is empty. We can keep the books in the box. So, the words boy, book, bag, bees, buzz, bananas, box, and books have the letter B. The sound of the letter B is B.